Let's go over how to clean and maintain your Survivor filter straw. When you notice a drop-off in flow rate, clogging, or are ready to clean and store away your filter, you can follow these cleaning instructions. After you have disassembled your straw, clean these parts with warm, soapy water and allow them to air dry. Then take the ultra filter and soak it in a 1-to-1 ratio of white vinegar and warm water. You can also use denture tablets instead of white vinegar to clean your ultra filter. Do not soak the carbon filter mouthpiece in vinegar, as this can damage the carbon fibers. Instead, soak the mouthpiece in warm water only. After the filters have soaked in vinegar for 10 to 15 minutes, you can then rinse them with warm water to get rid of the vinegar. The same method applies with denture tablets. Shake out the excess water from the ultra filter and allow it to air dry completely for up to 72 hours. Do the same with the mouthpiece. Then reassemble the filter once everything is completely dry. A quick way to check if your components are dry is to rigorously shake the filter pieces to see if there's any excess water left inside. If it's still wet, allow it to air dry for longer. Now, if the flow rate of your filter seems poor or slow, and you are experiencing clogging with your filter, we recommend backwashing the ultra filter. Backwashing the ultra filter helps flush out any small particles that may be clogging and slowing down the flow rate of your filter. This process will allow you to reuse your ultra filter for up to 100,000 liters. First, open the cap and remove the mouthpiece cover. Unclip the carbon filter mouthpiece from the body of the Survivor filter to separate it. Unscrew the base of the filter. Push up the base of the ultra filter followed by the screen. Remove both from the housing. Flip the ultra filter and insert it 1/3 of the way into the housing of the Survivor filter. It is normal to feel some resistance during this step. Please note that inserting the ultra filter too far in will cause it to get stuck, making it difficult to remove. Screw on the base. Fill one of the Survivor filter canteens or a squeezable soda bottle with clean water and attach it to the base of the Survivor filter inlet. Squeeze the canteen or soda bottle, forcing water to flow through the ultra filter. This will flush out any blockages, sediment, or debris. You have successfully backwashed your Survivor filter straw. To learn more about this product, troubleshooting, and tips, visit us at survivorfilter.com. Want to speak to an expert? Email support@survivorfilter.com or call us toll-free at 1-888-602-6367.